Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss previous question paper based on the topic of Viceroys of India. Viceroys of India is very important for every competitive exams. Previous question paper with explanation. Go to the first question. The strategy of divide and rule was adopted by Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, Lord Ripon, Lord Canning. Answer Lord Curzon. The partition of Bengal was held during the time of Curzon in 1905. Lord Curzon adopted the policy of divide and rule. Under this strategy, he created the tiff between the Hindus and Muslims, then divided Bengal. Lord Curzon is known as Aurangzeb of British India. University Education Commission was appointed by Lord Curzon in 1902. Indian Coinage and Paper Currency Act was passed by Lord Curzon. Then Ancient Monument Act was passed by Curzon. Archaeological Survey of India was organized by Lord Curzon in 1904. Indian Universities Act was passed in 1904. These are very important for every competitive exams. In 1904, Indian Universities Act was passed by Lord Curzon. The main important year is 1905. The partition of Bengal was held. Second question, who was the Governor General of India when Regulating Act of 1773 was passed? Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Lord Ripon, Warren Hastings. Answer is Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General to be appointed in Bengal under the Regulating Act of 1773. In 1784, he was the Governor General when Pitch India Act was enacted. In 1772, Governor General who abolished dual rule in Bengal. Then in 1774, the Supreme Court was formed in Calcutta at the time of Warren Hastings. Next question. British Viceroy who passed Vernacular Press Act. Canning, Lytton, Mayo, Ripon. Answer is Lytton. In 1878, Lord Ripon was passed Vernacular Press Act and Arms Act. He is otherwise known as Notorious Viceroy of India. Notorious Viceroy of India is Lytton. Okay. But he started a separate civil service exam for Indians. He reduced the age limit of writing civil service examination from 21 years to 19 years. Next question. British Viceroy who conducted first regular census in 1881. Cornwallis, Lytton, Canning, Ripon. Answer is Ripon. Lord Ripon is conducted first regular census in 1881 and he passed first Factory Act in 1881 in order to abolish child labor. In 1882, Vernacular Act was withdrawn by Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon re-established the age limit of writing civil service exam from 19 years to 21. He is known as the popular Viceroy of British India. In 1883, he passed the Hilbert Bill. Next question. British Viceroy during the formation of INC. LG, Canning, Dufferin, Hudson. Answer is Dufferin. INC was formed on 1885 December 28 at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, Mumbai. It is very important INC formation. It is very important question for every exam. He mentioned that is Duffy mentioned INC as a microscopic minority. Next question. British Viceroy who conducted first census in India in 1872. Northbrook, Curzon, Irwin, Mayo. Answer is Mayo. In 1872, Mayo conducted first census in India. In 1872, he passed Indian Evidence Act. Only British Viceroy who has been murdered in India, that is Mayo. Next question. British Viceroy during the formation of Muslim League in 1906 December 30. Curzon, Minto, Mayo, Ripon. Answer is Minto. Formation of Muslim League in 1906 December 30 in Dhaka. Founders of Muslim League Aga Khan and Nawab Salimullah. During the Surat split of INC in 1906-7, that period was the British Viceroy is Lord Minto. Next question. British Viceroy who withdrawn the partition of Bengal. Mayo, Hardinge II, Curzon, Elgin. Answer is Hardinge II. Lord Hardinge II, who shifted capital of India from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. The British Viceroy who withdrawn the partition of Bengal. The date is 1911 December 12. Next question. The British Viceroy during the time of Chowri Chowra incident. Lord Irwin, Mayo, Ripon, Reading. Answer is Reading. In 1922, February 5, Chowri Chowra incident was occurred. The only Jewish Viceroy of British India, that is Reading. Next question. British Viceroy during the time of Dundee March. Ripon, Canning, Irwin, Mayo. Answer is Irwin. Dundee March took place in 1930 March 12. He is known as Christian Viceroy. That is, Irwin is known as Christian Viceroy. He inaugurated Parliament building in 1927. During the arrival of Simon Commission in 1928, February 3, Irwin was the British Viceroy. Irwin, during the first round table conference, the British Viceroy is Irwin. British Viceroy during the first round table conference in 1930 is Irwin. Irwin signed Gandhi-Irwin Pact in 1931 March 5. Next question. British Viceroy who passed Indian Penal Code. British Viceroy who passed Indian Penal Code. Mayo, Ripon, Canning, Curzon. Answer is Canning. The universities of Calcutta, Bombay, Madras were established by Canning in 1857. In 1859, doctrine of lamps was officially withdrawn by Lord Canning. In 1860, he passed Indian Penal Code. It is very important. In 1860, Indigo revolt in Bengal. In 1861, he passed Council Act, and in 1861, he passed Indian High Court Act. The main important point of years of Canning are 1857, the universities of Calcutta, Bombay, Madras were established by him. Then 1859, doctrine of lapse was officially withdrawn by Lord Canning. Then 1860 he passed the Indian Penal Code. Thank you.